how to change the hero's voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can change the hero's voice to Japanese in Mobile Legends. So let's just get started with the video. First of all, head over and launch your Mobile Legends application onto your device, and when you reach to the home page of the Mobile Legends, you're gonna head over and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your profile. After that, you will be finding different settings of the game available here. Since we're changing the language, or let's say the voice, we're gonna tap on this language where we can see this English. By default, we're gonna change it into Japanese. So here we're gonna select the Japanese language and tap on OK. Just go ahead and look out for the Japanese language right here, and then just change it into Japanese and confirm it. Switch the language, confirm it, and your language is changed. After that, once your game will restart, your language will be changed, also with the hero's voice. So that is how you change it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.